trust yourself. You will survive whatever is coming. Surrender to what is. Let go of what was. Have faith in what will be. Now and then it's good to pause in our pursuit of happiness and just be happy. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Worrying does not take away tomorrow's troubles. It takes pass away today's peace. It's your road and your salon. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Always find a reason to laugh. It may not add years to our life, but it will surely add life to yours years. Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. Never run back to what broke you. A year changes you a lot. A beautiful thing about women is before they give up, they will fight.